Aloha, Tony Scotty here, coming to you from Kaneohe, Hawaii. Hey, next weekend, the 21st, we're going to be doing an event, and I was asked to give a little bit on what you might hear or what's going to be in the event. Well, there's three things that I kind of think are important. Three things that I see of why you might want to come to this event. Number one is I have experience in this. Number two, I have patience with problems, and number three, it's backed with facts and math. Believe strongly that the experience that I have over the last 12 years encompasses a fair amount of examples that are real life examples. And I've kind of broken it down to where what is the fundamentals of this velocity banking concept and how it applies to you. I'm going to share a lot of examples of how it applies to me, but I'm hoping some of those apply to you because I have been working with people over the last 12 plus years. Patience. What I do is when I sit down with somebody and we start talking about how this might work for them, I take the emotion out of it because it's really just math and numbers. We're using simple math. We're using plus, minus, divided by, times, and sometimes we use an equal sign. But it's simple math that we're going to use, and I'm going to share with you the simple math on how this concept works. And real life examples of how we're just changing the way that we manage things and how we manage them. The last thing being, it's back with facts. I've done this over the years, and initially I was a skeptic. I was the one that didn't believe that it was real. But now I believe it's real because I've been using it for such a long time, and I've broken it down to give you the real basic facts on how this thing's worked. That's with velocity banking. Stay tuned. I'll give you another update on what contract for deed is and how we apply the velocity banking concept for a foundation to invest in real estate. Aloha.